ไปนี้จะเป็นการอัดนะครับผมการ presentation ของ Senior Project Wireless Air Conditioner Controller System ในรูปแบบภาษาอังกฤษเวอร์ชันนะครับโอเคโอเค Good morning. I'm Yahanowit Thapanakunsak. I'm senior in Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University, major in Electrical Engineering. Today, I would like to present my senior project. The title of my senior project is Wi-Fi Air Conditioner Controller System. Why do I choose this project? Because by observing in my senior project room have 3 individual air conditioner controllers, and I have 3 questions came up in my mind. First of this question is how to control all air conditioner just in one click. Second, how long has an air conditioner been turned on? And finally, of this question, is it possible to save the energy? To answer this question, the purpose of my senior project is to make it easier to control and record usage of air conditioner and save the energy. My presentation is divided into 3 parts. In each part, I will talk about the component in this system. Okay. How does this system work? The system is Wi-Fi air conditioner controller system consists of 3 parts. Part 1, I will talk about wireless gateway. Part 2, I will talk about wireless controller. And part 3 is webpage control. First of this system is wireless gateway. What is wireless gateway? The wireless gateway is a center that connects Wi-Fi net and wireless controller together. The wireless gateway have a server for storing the web page that contains all commands in the server. But in the future, if you want to add more functions such as lighting control, window control, or dock and door control, you can add it to more functions. The second of this system is wireless controller. What is wireless controller? The wireless controller is a controller that can manage in its air conditioner. You can manage air conditioner by either Wi-Fi, or you can control it by its panel. You can control. More wireless controller can record usage of air conditioner into memory. The last of this system is webpage control. What is webpage control? The webpage control is a web page that show all commands and real status on your web page. You can use any device for access network and open web browser to control this. To get started, first fill in the IP on your address bar on web browser and click enter. Control panel will appear and show you status in this air conditioner on your web page. The second, if you want to change status air conditioner, you can change it such as temperature, mode operation, fan speed. You can change change it or set up it and click send button for send the data to air conditioner. When you click send button, your data will send to the wireless gateway. The wireless gateway will process and send data to wireless controller. And wireless controller will change status and send your status of air conditioner to wireless gateway. And wireless gateway will send status show on your web page. When these two parts work together, you can control this air conditioner by Internet Wi-Fi or its panel. This system is like wireless remote controller. Now, you can easy to control by Internet Wi-Fi. You can control all air conditioner on web page, and you can click send button for change of air conditioner status. Now, the user can use information of air conditioner usage for make a decision to turn on or turn off or clean up the air conditioner. This will help you reduce power loss in this system due to the dirtiness in cooling coil. Finally, you can save yourself from bacteria. At present, the T-part work well, and I successfully to control air conditioner via Internet Wi-Fi. This is all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Good morning. I'm Yanawit Thapanakunsak. I'm senior in Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University. Major in Electrical Engineering. Today, I would like to present my senior project. The title of my senior project is Wi-Fi Air Conditioner Controller System. Why do I choose this senior project? Because in my senior project group have 3 individual air conditioners, and I have 3 questions came up in my mind. First of this question, how to control all air conditioners just in one click. And the second, how long has an air conditioner turned on? And finally, is it possible to save the energy? To answer this question, the purpose of this project is to make easy to control and record usage of the air conditioner and save the energy. My presentation is divided into 3 parts. In this part, I will talk about the component of the system. Okay, how does the system work? The Wi-Fi air conditioner controller system consists of 3 parts. Part 1 is wireless gateway. Part 2 is about wireless controller. And part 3 is web page control. First of this system is web page gateway. Wireless gateway. What is wireless gateway? The wireless gateway is a center that connects Wi-Fi internet and wireless controller together. The wireless gateway has a server for storing web page that contains all commands in the web page. In the future, if you want to add more function, you can add it. For example, you can add lighting control, or door control, or window control, and security or alarm into the system for you can control more function in one system. In the next part is What is web page control? The web page control is a web page that shows all command and your status on your web page. You can use any device for access this network, and you can open web browser to control your device. To get started, first you fill in the IP on your address bar on web browser. You can key the IP and click enter. When the control panel will appear on your web page and show your status. The second, if you want to change status, you can change it, such as temperature, turn on, turn off, and mode operation, and fast speed. You can change it and set up it. When you set up finish, you click send button. Your data will be sent to wireless gateway, and wireless gateway will process and send data to wireless controller. The wireless controller will check data and send your data to wireless gateway, and wireless gateway will send your data to web page control on your web page. You can see that in just less than 1 second. When these two parts work together, you can control air conditioner via internet, or you can control this air conditioner by this panel. This system is like wireless remote controller. Now you can control all air conditioner just in one click on your web page, and you can use information to make decision to turn on or turn off this air conditioner, or you can make a decision to clean up this air conditioner. This will help reduce your power loss. Due to dirtiness in the cooling coil. At present, the deep part work well, and I can successfully control air conditioner by internet Wi-Fi. This is all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.